Hello everyone. Let we start our lecture of mathematics, lecture number 10, unit number 3, number system. In, in previous lecture, we also do some examples of chapter number 3 before the exercise 3.1 because it is the mandatory means compulsory for the students to do the example when we start the exercise 3.1. Otherwise there will be issues regarding the question. That's why we will do some example because it is compulsory. Now in this lecture we also do some example before the exercise 3.1. Why it is necessary? Because in this lecture we discuss about the conversion. Okay, conversion of decimal from decimal to the octal system. As you know that the octal system means base 8. Octal system means base 8. Okay, so we have to convert from decimal to the octal system means base 8. Example 5, convert 824 into an equivalent number with base 8 means ये एक decimal, this is a decimal number. So we have to convert this decimal number to some octal system. Okay. So what is the procedure? As the octal system means octet means base 8. हम जैसे लेते हैं LCM 824. 8 ones are 8, 0, 8 threes are 24, which is exactly divisible by 8, 103. रिमाइंडर कुछ नहीं बचा तो हमने क्या लिख दिया डैश 0. ओके. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट 8 ones are 8, 10 में से 2 रिमेनिंग रह गए, 2 रहे तो 7 3 के साथ अटैच हुआ 23. 8 twos are 16, 23 minus 16 विच इज रिमेनिंग कितने रह गए 7. वो हमने 7 के लिख दिए, सामने लिख दिए 12-7. ओके जी. अगर किसी को if student have any confusion regarding the topic तो चैट में डिस्कस करते हैं साथ साथ. ओके. किसी को any confusion regarding the topic regarding the question discuss in the chat. देखें अभी 12 आ गया. 8 ones are 8, 12 minus 8 remaining क्या रह गया 4. So 1 dash remainder is 4. How will we write? We will write from bottom to the top as arrow indicates there. Arrow indicate क्या कर रहा है 1470 means this is a decimal number. This is a decimal number. We have to convert into a octal system. Okay, means 8 to 4. तो हम octal system में 1470. How we write? We write from bottom to the top 1470. Okay, once again 824 है. 8 ones are 8, 0, 8 threes are 24, which is exactly divisible. So nothing is a remainder. So 103-0. Next, 8 ones are 8, 2, 23 बन गया. 8 twos are 16, 23 minus 16 remainder is 7, 12 minus 7. Okay, 8 ones are 8 remainder is 4, 12 minus 8 remainder क्या है 4. So we write from bottom to the top 1470. So हमने क्या लिख लिया साथ में 8 बाय लिख लिया. क्यों? That's why कि ये this is converted into the decimal system. We have to convert this decimal system to the octal system. Okay जी. So next example is example 6. Again convert 4837 into equivalent number with base 8. Base 8 means to convert into the octal system. 4837. 8 6 are 48, 0. 8 4s are 32. So here there is a 37 present. 37 minus 32. Remaining is 5. So 5 हमने क्या ले लिया सामने 604-5. देखिए again 8 60 8 sevens are 56 4 remaining तो आगे भी 4 है 44 हो गए 8 5s are 40 44 minus 40 so remaining क्या remaining term is 4 75-4 okay next is 8 9s are 72 75 minus 72 remaining is 3 so 9-3 here we write 8 ones are 8 remaining is 9 minus 8 1 so 1-1 so we write it from the bottom to the top bottom arrow indicate arrow indicate that 1 1 3 4 5 okay so 487 is equal to 1 1 3 4 5 in bracket साथ में 8 8 shows the this is the base 8 okay how we convert 4837 into equivalent number with base 8 again I repeat this question 8 6 are 48 0 8 4s are 32 37 minus 32 remaining term is a 5 604-5 वो हमने इधर लिख लिया again 604 60 8 sevens are 56 4 44 8 fives are 40 44 minus 40 75-4 8 nines are 72 75 minus 72 remaining term is 3 9-3 8 ones are 8 1-1 1 1 3 4 5 is we convert this into a this decimal into a octal system octal mean base 8 okay 4837 is equal to 11345 bracket नीचे subscript में 8 okay 8 indicate that this is the octal system now 3.2.1b convert अदर नंबर सिस्टम में अभी पहले हमने क्या कन्वर्ट किए थे कि हम डेसिमल को ऑक्टल में कर रहे थे या डेसिमल को हम बाइनरी में कर रहे थे till now we convert decimal number into other form number now we convert other form number into the decimal number डिफरेंस समझे पहले हमने जितने भी नंबर थे उनको मसलन डेसिमल को ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे डेसिमल को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं नो वी अभी जितने भी नंबर्स हैं डिफरेंट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द डेसिमल नंबर ओके conversion from binary system to the decimal for converting a number written in the binary system into a number in decimal system some example is so this is a binary number binary क्यों ये सबस्क्रिप्ट में 2 लिखा हुआ है 1101 ब्रैकेट के बाद this shows the 2 shows the binary number okay we have to convert it into the decimal number so what is the procedure to convert that number 1101 subscript shows 2 2 indicates the binary number one thing must be kept in your mind 2 indicate binary number 8 indicate octal number so we have to convert this binary number into decimal system now we convert all numbers into decimal number decimal system Okay, so 11012. First of all, 1101. We will write in power of 2. 1 is equal to 1 multiply 2 की power 3, 2 power 3, plus next 1 multiply 2 power 2. Similarly power decrease हो रही है, plus 0 multiply 2 power 1 plus 1 multiply 2 power 0. ये जितने भी हैं इनके साथ हमने क्या कर लेने हैं, 2 की पावर में लिखने हैं. अगर 4 हैं तो 2 की पावर 3 लिखेंगे. जैसे 1101, ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इज 4, 1101. So we will write 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. साथ में ये डिजिट 1101. 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 which is equal to 8. 2 power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 4. 4 multiply 2 which is equal to 8. 2 power 3 means 8. 1 multiply 8 which is exactly equal to 8. So 8 plus next is 1 multiply 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 2 multiply 2. 2 square which is 4. 4 multiply 1. 4 multiply 1. 4 ones are 4. So 8 plus 4 plus 0 into 2 power 1. 2 power 1 2. 2 into 0. So which is equal to 0. So we will write it plus 0 plus 1 multiply 2 power 0. One thing must be kept in your mind that this is the basic mathematic rule. Anything power 0 which is equal to 1. 2 power 0 means which is equal to 1. Anything power 0. In mathematics, this is the basic rule. Anything power 0 which is equal to 1. 2 power 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we will convert binary system 1101 subscript 2 into a decimal system. So 1101 subscript 2 which is equal to 13, we have to convert this binary system into a decimal system which is equal to 13. Okay, next is any confusion related the topic, discuss in the chat. Okay, if you have any confusion. Now convert a number written in base 5 into decimal number. Abhi in this topic, in this example, we have to convert the numbers into decimal system numbers. Okay, first of all we convert a binary number into decimal number. Binary means with base 2. Okay, now we have to convert with base convert a number written in base 5 into decimal number. Okay, so any number in base 5 can be converted into base 10 system. 10 system in decimal system. With base 2 mean binary system. With base 8 mean octet system. With base 10 mean decimal system. Or converting a number base 5 into an equivalent with base number. Some example. Now we have to convert base 5 into a decimal system number. Decimal system numbers mean with base 10. Okay. Main difference you must understood that binary system mean base 2. Octal system mean base 8. Decimal system mean base 10. Okay. Now convert 41324225 into equivalent decimal system. Means this is base 5 system. ओके जैसे पीछे बेस 2 थी तो हम क्या लिख रहे थे कि वो जो नंबर होते थे मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 की पावर लिख रहे थे. ओके तो दिस इज बेस 5. So we have to write in the multiply 5 and उसको हम फिर पावर में लिखेंगे. ओके 413242 bracket 5 into equivalent decimal system. First of all count the digit 413242. This is actually a 6 digit. So डिजिट में से एक कम करके हम 5 की पावर में वो लिखेंगे. जैसे हम पिछले क्वेश्चन में 1101 थे 4 थे तो हमने 2 की पावर में लिखा था. 2 क्यों यूज किया था? दिस इज अ बाइनरी सिस्टम. 5 क्यों यूज किया? दिस इज अ बेस 5 सिस्टम. ओके you must understood this concept. If you must understand this concept, if there is a octal system you must write in the form of 8 power. Okay so octal mean with base 8, base 5 means with the base 5. So 413242, this is a 6 digit number. So we will write in the power of 5. 5 means अगर 6 डिजिट हैं तो एक पावर कम ले लेनी. 5 के ऊपर 5 ले लें. 4 multiply 5 power 5. Similarly plus 1 multiply 5 power 4 plus 3 multiply 5 power 3 plus 2 multiply 5 power 2 plus 4 multiply 5 power 1 plus 2 multiply 5 power 0. 5 power 5 means कि हमने 5 को 5 टाइम्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and multiply 5 which is exactly equal to 3125. Okay 4 multiply 3125. So 5 1 into 5 power 4. 5 power 4 mean 5 को आपस में 4 दफा मल्टीप्लाई करना 4 टाइम. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 1 into 625 plus 3 multiply 5 power 3. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 which is equal to 125 plus 2 multiply 5 square. 5 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 5 power 1 5 plus 2 multiply 5 power 0. 4 multiply 3 125 which is exactly equal to 12500 plus 1 into 625 plus 1 3 multiply 125 which is equal to 375 plus 2 into 25 which is equal to 50 plus 4 into 5 which is equal to 20 plus 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. When we add these number 12500 plus 625 plus 375 plus 50 plus 20 plus 2 which is equal to 13572. Acha ji. Now I have given you a task. If the number is, let's suppose 1357, this is with the base 8. This is with the base 8. We have to convert into the equivalent decimal number. How will we convert that number? Please chat में मुझे बताएं कि how we will convert and this number 1357 this is a number, this is a with base 8 means octal number. How we will convert into a decimal system? Please discuss in the chat. मुझे हर एक बच्चे की तरफ से कमेंट आना चाहिए. इट्स मीन आपको समझ आई है, अदरवाइज आपको समझ नहीं आई है. यस प्लीज. Repeat, my question is, if you have a number 1357, this is a number with base 8. Base क्या है? 8 है. We have to convert this number into a decimal system. How would we convert that number? Please discuss it in the chat. Okay? Any confusion regarding the question, please discuss. अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आए, मैं अगेन रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. आपके पास एक नंबर है, your number is 1357 with base 8, means this is a octal number. So we have to convert into a decimal number. So discuss in the chat, please. How would we convert that octal number into a decimal system? हर एक बच्चे का कमेंट आना चाहिए कि उसे क्या समझ आई है, कि वो इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में क्या जानता है. यस प्लीज. हैव 2 minutes फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. प्लीज सारे सोचें और मुझे कमेंट में बताएं कि किसको क्या समझ आई है इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में. हर एक स्टूडेंट का रिस्पांस कमेंट में आना चाहिए कि उसे क्या समझ आई है, कि इसको किस तरह, हाउ वुड वी सॉल्व दैट नंबर इनटू अ डेसिमल सिस्टम. ओके, दो हमने, we will discuss two examples. One, in first example we will convert binary system into a decimal system. In second example we will convert base 5 system into a decimal system. Now my question is that how we convert the octal system in, your question is 1357 base 8 mean octal system. How would we convert it into डेसिमल सिस्टम? एक ऑक्टल सिस्टम को हम कैसे डेसिमल सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है. क्वेश्चन है आपके पास 1357 विद बेस 8 है, इसे हमने डेसिमल सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है. कैसे हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे? This is the exact answer. One student asked that we will write 1357 as a power of 8 and multiply 8 with each digit. Yes, this is the exact answer. 1357, 1 multiply 8 power 3 plus 3 multiply 8 power 2 plus 5 multiply 8 power 1 plus 7 multiply 8 power 0. This is the exact answer. Excellent answer. यस, किसी और को समझ आए वो बताए. एक स्टूडेंट ने एग्जैक्ट वही आंसर बताया कि हम इसे कैसे डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते. एक्सीलेंट जी. एनीवन एल्स? वी विल डिस्कस कन्वर्जन ऑफ ऑक्टल सिस्टम टू अ डेसिमल सिस्टम. अभी ये मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था, अभी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. राइट द फॉलोइंग ऑक्टल नंबर एज अ डेसिमल नंबर 1268 विद बेस 8. हाउ वुड वी कन्वर्ट इनटू अ ऑक्टल सिस्टम? देखें जी, 126 देयर इज अ 3 digit number, so we will write in the power of 8, 8 power 2, 1 into 8 power 2 plus 2 into 8 power 1 plus 6 into 8 power 0. 8 power 2 which is exactly equal to 64 plus 2 into 8 power 1 which is equal to 8 plus 6 into anything power 0 which is equal to 1. This is the basic math rule. किसी भी चीज की power 0 हो mathematics में which is equal to 1. 64 into 1 64 plus 8 into 2 16 plus 6 into 1 6. 64 plus 16 which is equal to 80. 80 plus 6 which is the 86. Now second part is 42402 with base 8. A digit count करें, this is the 6 digit, so we will write 8 power 5. अगर digit 6 हैं तो हम उसके एक power कम कर देंगे. 4 multiply 8 power 5 plus 2 multiply 8 power 4 plus 4 multiply 8 power 3 plus 0 multiply 8 power 2 plus 0 multiply 8 power 1 plus 2 multiply 8 power 0. 8 power 5 means which is 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 which is equal to 32768 plus 2 into 8 power 4 means 4 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 which is equal to 4096 plus 4 multiply 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 which is equal to 512 plus 0 multiply 2. 0 0 जब किसी भी चीज के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है आंसर is 0 plus 0 into 8 power 1 which is also 0 plus 2 multiply 8 power 0. 8 power 0 means which is equal to 1. 1 into 2 which is equal to 2. So 4 multiply 3 to 768 which is equal to 131072 plus 2 multiply 409 which is equal to 8192 plus 4 multiply 512 which is equal to 2048 plus 0 plus 0. When we sum up these numbers, answer is 141314. Yes, any confusion regarding the topic, please discuss in the chat. If you have any question regarding the topic, any confusion regarding the topic, please ask it. तो कोई भी मसला है क्वेश्चन के रिलेटेड डिस्कस इन द चैट प्लीज. Yes, any confusion regarding the topic, discuss in the chat please. If you have no question, otherwise I will leave our meeting. Okay, there is no question, so we will leave our meeting.